Hi guys, this is Chef Faiz Khan and today we are back with another interesting recipe. We will be making a very simple, easy and cheesy recipe. We will be making prawns butter garlic. Let's go about and let's learn how we can easily crack this recipe in like just 2 or 3 steps. To start off with, 1 heaped tablespoon maida, 1 teaspoon corn flour, and we'll add half an egg now. We'll add pinch of salt, then we'll add half teaspoon black pepper powder, then mix it roughly. Then again we will have to add the half remaining egg plus 2 tablespoons of water here. Now we will mix it nicely and make it lump free. In this way we make the batter really nice. We'll add in clean prawns with tail on. Make sure you have deveined the prawns properly. In hot oil, one by one, drop all the prawns which is nicely coated in batter so that you don't stick your prawns. Make sure you put it one by one. If you put all together, it will tend to stick to each other. Very important not to overcook the prawns. Just 3 to 4 minutes is more than enough. Once you see nice golden brown color, take them off the flame. 2 tablespoon melted butter and oil mixed together in a hot pan. Then we'll add around 2 tablespoon heap full of chopped garlic. We'll add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger to this, and then we will be adding half teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Then we'll add celery chopped, which is again half teaspoon. We'll add 1 full chopped onion. Saute them nicely on really high heat. We'll add in diced onion and capsicum. You can add red yellow bell peppers as well if you prefer. Then we'll add 2 heaped tablespoons of fresh cream into this mixture, and we will not waste the cream left in the container. We will add little water in the container and we will rinse that container off which contains the cream, and that way we add in 4 tablespoons of water to our sauce. On very high flame, keep sauteing nicely. As soon as you see bubbles coming up, you add cheese and again saute it nicely so you make a very homogeneous mixture. We'll add in a pinch of salt. We'll add in a pinch of white pepper powder. Black pepper powder is optional. If you want more heat, you can add black pepper as well. Pinch of sugar here. Then again, it is one optional step. You can add aromat powder or Ajinomoto. It is absolutely optional. You can skip this step also. Mix it well. Now your sauce is ready. You add in all your fried prawns to this sauce and mix it well. Now we will add the corn flour slurry to this mixture. Corn flour plus water. Saute it nicely. Then it is done. You take it out on the plate. Make sure you use a black or dark color crockery when you are taking this out, because it is white in color, so it will look very attractive when you take it out. Put little spring onion nicely chopped and garnish, fried garlic on the garnish, and at the last we will add black sesame seed. Your butter garlic prawns is nicely done to the perfection. Yes, this is 100% the same recipe you get butter garlic prawns in your favorite restaurants. The creamy style cheesy butter garlic prawns done. So this was it for today. Thank you for watching our special recipe of prawns butter garlic. Best of luck and enjoy. Keep watching CFK. Oh.